Time to patrol. Let's see what's happening today. Driver's seat. Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here? The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out. Out of gas? Go refuel. Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
No. Bunny is entangled in the vine and can't move. Don't worry, we're going to save her now. Oh, I can't walk. Come and save me. Drag Kiki to move the box and save Bunny. Thank you for saving me. Don't mention it. You can always come to Officer Kiki if you need help. You reached the finish line. Time to draw a prize. Cool, it's a new skin.